y'all spitting your own shit. I want to hear the shit y'all came at each other on.
Oh, I can spit that
Let
shit.
me hear that
spit
shit.
it. I want to hear that.
I said I can't be stopped. See this rap shit, I run it. Ain't gonna stop with my writing till I'm 6 feet under. Go hard, bars hot, flow sick with it. The way I write it, break it down, it's so ridiculous. Name a nigga that's with his flow and stay sick with it. Black did it a billion times with different flows and different rhymes. Don't confuse me with these other raps, I am a different kind. Really live what I rap. Nowadays niggas be rapping, but they ain't spitting fact. Tay said he got my back, Lean said he riding too. Problem with my niggas, but believe I'm gonna be sliding through. Always got the strap. Better watch how you approaching black, cause I let it fire. And headshot to lift your head up like you nodding. For the getaway, I call Lean me the driver. That's my motherfucking nigga. For my team, I go hard though. X about black, I crack heads like Lamar O. I'm trying to cock so many whips, I can start a car show. I remember I was fucked up. I ain't really have shit. So I started hustling, got it jumping like a rabbit. I grabbed me a half, moved that. It did a backflip, I flipped that. Money on my mind, so I'ma get that. And never mind them bitches who done played you. Cause when you get your money up, them hoes gon' wish they dated you. And when the cash flow, man, them niggas gon' hate you. But make your paper remain the same you, don't let it make you. Always keep the tool on you, make it rain like April. If a nigga try to take yours, cause I do the same thing. Make that nigga brains hang.
I said, I fucking real niggas from up north. On my grind cause I fell short. Smoking beats like Newports. Selling nicks, taking no shorts. Y'all ride the bench, I be on the court. Ball hard, I'm an all-star. When I was 14, I drove my first car, so my first pack. So I got a strap. Not playing with these rappers, aka / actors. LBG my team, fuck you niggas, I be on my lean. Smoking this loud, counting this green. Like every day is a holiday. Got me on point like Holiday. Got me hitting net like Ray Ray. On this crossover like JJ. If you owe me bread, you gon' pay. If you got a pot of me, does SK just tell me fall back? I tell him no way, cause I'm reaching for the top someday. You pussy niggas gon' run away. If it's beef, I hit a nigga broad day to show you pussy niggas I don't fucking play. North side with these dirty blocks, round around with this dirty Glock. Dirty money, my dirty sock. We in the field like it's black guys playing GTA on Xbox. Y'all all sick a dick, no X-Pac. I'm feeling them in that's every spot. Motherfucker, see why I should be at the top. I'm selling rolling on this loud, and I bet everybody know I'm in my bag, moving fast, dishing out that Eric Snow, getting bucks on these haters. I'm a money operator. You won't never catch me slipping. Keep them haters at a distance. I said all my niggas gon' ride. All my niggas gon' ride. If a fuck nigga come close, it's gonna be another homicide. I got all you rappers terrified of me cause I'm burning mics to the third degree. I guess none of you rappers to walk up to me cause I'm killing mics so comfortably. Huh? Fuck you talking about? This 40 make the bitch come out. All that hype shit is irrelevant. Cut your case nigga and the snitch come out. You fucking fraud, you can't ball. Rhyme strong like sponsor. Spitting crack, that's too raw. Team tall, y'all too small. Like middle school, y'all dinner food, I'm getting rid of you cause I'm tired of you. Got your chin rocked on F block, now look at you. You pitiful. So keep talking that shit, I'ma send keys to you. You bitch nigga, no money get it, you just rap loud with aggression nigga. Got a 9 milli, extended clip, and a shoot off aggression nigga. And a compact for your contact, stupid nigga who fucking with me. Always running, I stay blunted. Never fake, I keep it 100. He ran for zombie, he cooking nigga. I got this whole team full of sprinting niggas. Speaking direct at that nigga called Black. Screaming my name, song right at your neck. Talking about this and you telling him that. Playing both sides, but get his ass wet. Prepare for his death. I can't even say that.
I said, first up, we gon' keep it real. He just dick eating on some whole shit. Cause he shook my hand a couple times, that don't mean shit. He don't know me. I will line him up just like a shaper. Throw bullets that'll tear his face up. We gon' keep it real, we gon' spit fact. Your baby mom threw me in the basement. I ain't fraud, nigga, I'm just keeping it real. Real something you would never be. You better ask around, you better ask around. I am in the street every day. If you throw shots, I am throwing them back like Mr.
Let him go, let him go.
This nigga set like Mr. Softy, ain't lame. Knock this nigga head off him. This nigga ain't a street nigga. He live in the hood, so he act good. He need Oscars cause you act good. But where the actors at? When the clips come out, the tough guys disappear and the bitch come out. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all all got mouth, so when it's time for war, you want to talk it out. I ain't got no rap. I just load the pistol, I cock it back. Ain't mad my target, I'm launching that. Like bow. Been to put a nigga in the sky like a cloud. When it came to beef, I'm picking it with the cows. These niggas don't want no drama. Streets in a wild.
That's it.
Got choppers on deck. If the niggas respect them, we chopping on the set. I will in your fucking goon. My chopper it go boom, boom, just like a drum. When I quake it, you better run. Bullets hot as the sun and the heat just like it's rum. You niggas, you must be dumb if you thinking you fucking with me. My niggas be getting busy, so if it's about beef, we say slide just like a trizzy. My niggas, we got them glizzy. Glizzy think holy stingy. We giving out niggas wickets like blah. So fall back. My chopper all black. War, you want that? Your block with swarm net. With 100 goons deep, and we ready for war.
Hey man,
I said
B to the L to the A to the C to the K.
I
Slash OUT, back as the soldier, you know me.
Gotta let him go, Black. Gotta let him go, Black.
come on, man.
Gotta let him go. Let him go. Can't take over.
Right. Look.
This is the last one.
Go.
Everybody get it out.
I said
3 on 3.
I see what I say.
Me in this shit?
Man, I see. Biggie versus Savage, you like nigga. Past your bedtime, say goodnight, nigga. Been in the game, your chick probably on my pipe, nigga. 4-4 tucked in my drawers. When I squeeze, you would have his brain splat on the wall. I'm so ill with the flow. I guess he knew that, bro. I'm my stripes a long way back, so take like 3 stacks back, bro. Talk is cheaper than a Metro hose. Coming straight at your neck on March set go, like here I go. I'm on my grind till I touchdown, nigga. Got the 9 and the 4-pound, nigga. Yeah, I spray rounds, nigga. Posterized in this game, it's like so much a shame. You did the control beat, trying to cook up something the same. We on different levels, pussy. You a vet against it. I say I'm a vet against. I say you a vet against a fucking rookie. I say you cookie sweeter than some sugar, softer than a pussy. You average rapper, time to finish your ass. You average rapper, somebody get him a cast him in my bag, nigga. Blackout, I'm about to really make a spaz, nigga. Bring the man instead of bringing a bitch on the track, nigga. I say I slaughter my competition. You witness this ass whipping my vision, crazy precision. Young Tech, another victim. I do this rap shit in my sleep, motherfucker. You need a beat. This my set. Now I'm about to snatch your neck, rip it off, goodbye, have a terrible death, or I bring the Mac out, show you how it black out, hitting every ligament, no need for the tap out. I gave him something like so. Now I'm about to spaz out, giving them bars. You trashed me, asking me, putting on the front, but you after me in the back while you mad at me, asking me. There's no comparison, you're not a master me. Should have shot your way, having you running for a backup team. I'm too sick, snapping like 2 pits. I'ma air you, cause you don't know that I do this rap shit. 357, making them backflip like gymnastics on the low, blowing that loud shit. I'm the wildest, your rhymes to me is childish. Laughing at you actors. Rhyme running shit passion, now it's time to school him. Like rip you up and chew him, send him a message of everything I'm doing him. Like who is he? Took me 5 minutes just to finish him. Ruin this career, nigga. His swag is so dead, skinny jeans, having ass, nigga. Get you some air there. True hat, better fall back. Relax in the chair, I'm surpassing you. It's a rap for you, I'm still attacking you. Giving you hell till the Lord come after him. It's a rap for him. I slaughter my competition, no pen and no composition. Throwing shots at these rappers cause all of their competition. Ripping these beats from the start to the fucking end of the minute. You are. Go ahead.
Last one, Black.
Go Black.
Go ahead.
Fuck Vision don't know. I'm a rider, I got choppers, and I'm itching to squeeze. So if he run, I'ma dump the whole clip in his knees. Stand over his body, then reload the clip. Put the barrel to your mouth, them shots gonna fold your lip. That's what happen when you talk that shit. When I blast that shit, you'll get popped in your mouth like a badass kid. When it's time for war, then the hammer bang. Black done caught more bodies than a trampoline. Smith & Wesson clap him. The knife on me, I stab him. Leave the blade sitting in the cut like it was trapping. Drag it from ear to ear. Blood dripping on my gear. As his tissue slowly tear. Knife dragging through his skin. Must I stab this dude again? Must I clap my tool again? Cause if I grip this toaster, dog, I'ma leave him roasted, dog. Holes in him. Look like he got